Ever wondered how to make the perfect osso buco? Well, the secret is in the slow, loving preparation and the melding of simple, quality ingredients. Today, we're going to unravel the mystery and take you through the process of making this Italian classic right at home. First things first, the star of this dish is the veal shank. You'll need about 4 veal shanks, each about 1.5 inches thick. Season them generously with salt and pepper. Next, we're going to dredge them in flour. Make sure each shank is evenly coated. This will help create a beautiful golden crust. Next up, heat some olive oil in a large Dutch oven. Once the oil is shimmering, add in the veal shanks. Sear them until they're a rich golden brown on all sides. This browning is crucial as it imparts a deep, savoury flavour to the dish. Once the veal is seared to perfection, set them aside. Now, in the same Dutch oven, add in finely chopped onions, carrots, and celery. Sauté them until they're soft and golden. This is what Italians call soffritto, a flavour base that forms the backbone of many Italian dishes. With the soffritto ready, it's time to reintroduce the veal shanks to the pot. Nestle them in amongst the vegetables. Now, pour in a generous cup of dry white wine. Let it simmer until the wine is reduced by half. The wine will deglaze the pot, lifting all those delicious caramelized bits stuck at the bottom. It will also give the osso buco its characteristic richness. Next, add in a can of crushed tomatoes, a sprig of rosemary, a sprig of thyme, and a couple of bay leaves. Finally, pour in enough beef broth to just cover the veal shanks. Bring the whole thing to a simmer, then cover and let it braise for about 2 hours. Patience is key here. The low and slow cooking will allow the flavors to meld together and the meat to become fall off the bone tender. And voila! After 2 hours, the osso buco is ready. The meat should be tender and the sauce rich and flavorful. Serve it over a bed of creamy risotto or polenta and garnish with gremolata, a mix of lemon zest, garlic and parsley. This will add a fresh, zingy contrast to the rich, hearty osso buco. So, there you have it. A classic Italian osso buco made right at home. A dish that's all about patience and simple, quality ingredients coming together to create something truly special. So why not give it a try? It might just become your new favorite.